Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dave here. And are you looking for the perfect snare for a rock setting? If you're like most drummers, you're always in search for that perfect sounding snare drum, and for most, the snare drum is the heart of the kit. Now, fortunately for you, we have quite a few snares at Drumeo, so I have chosen 8 of the most common snare types that you will see in a rock setting. Now, when you're choosing a snare, there are many different things to consider, but the main one is what type of snare you want. For example, do you want a wood snare? Or do you want a metal snare? Now, at the end of the day, there really isn't a wrong answer here, as long as you get a drum that you actually like the sound of and it matches either the aesthetic or the sound of your kit. Both metal snares and wood snares sound great, and it's gonna come down to personal preference. So what I've got is 8 wood snares here, and I've got 8 metal snares here. I've got a pearl birch drum, I've got a sonar maple drum, I've got a woods walnut drum, I've got a Yamaha oak for my wood selection. Over here, I've got a pearl brass, I've got a Dunnet steel, I've got a Yamaha aluminum, and I've got a Dunnet or Drumeo titanium at the very top. So rather than talk about all the different characteristics between each drum, because that could be a long video, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna play each one for you so you can hear the difference for yourself and see if one of them really stands out. Now, they'll have different tunings, they'll have different heads, but I'm gonna play them on the same kit, with the same microphone, with the same beat, so you can hear some of the small little characteristics of each drum, and hopefully by the end of this video, you'll have a bit better of an understanding as to what drums sound like what, and maybe it'll help you make a decision for what drum you want. All right, so there you have it. Hopefully you can hear a little bit of a difference in sound. I just played all 8 drums back to back. Now, there are differences in the dimensions. One of them is a 13-inch, the rest are 14, but the depths are a little bit different tunings, different heads, but the main characteristics, hopefully you can hear. Good luck. Hopefully you find a snare that fits your sound and your kit. We'll see you later.